Are you looking for the best tube bender in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tube bender that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Happybuy Electric Tube Bend. Happybuy presents you with an electric tube bender that will save you from bending roll cage tubing manually. The machine is equipped with a powerful motor, which can run continuously without blowing out. As such, this equipment can assist you when working on large projects that may require you to work for an extended duration. By using the upper shaft, you will be able to customize the machine according to your needs. That said, you can drive the shaft downward or pull it upward depending on the radian that you want. The manufacturer provides you with square and round dies, so you can attach the set that matches the task description. In addition to this, the drive chains are thickened to prolong service life. The on-off switch is strategically placed to give the operator quick access to the motor functions. Featuring a turbo reducer, you can safely bend materials with this machine without hurting yourself. Moreover, the dies offer full coverage, so the tube will bend uniformly without denting. The high-precision dies will enable you to bend all tubes accurately. At number 4, Ridgid 38048 Model 608 Heavy-Duty Tubing Bender. Featuring a dual-handle design, the tube bender from Ridgid can take on tough materials such as titanium, steel, and other metals that fall in the same category. Both handles are cushioned to give users a comfortable grip when rolling tubes. With this tool, you can make 180-degree tube bends without crossing the handles. Plus, the equipment is fitted with a locking mechanism, which you can engage or disengage by making a half-turn rotation. The calibrated ring will guide you when making precise angle bends on tubes. Thanks to its extra long handles, you won't have to apply as much effort because the tool will provide you with more leverage. Also, it has a two-stage design, which allows for smooth in-place bending. The included vice clamp offers more stability and allows the work material to stay in the exact position that you want it to. This way, you will be able to bend the tube accurately without making any mistakes. Aside from that, you won't experience any slippage, so the tube will bend with ease. The gain marks will help you make the correct tube alignment before bending the material. Embossed on the tool is the brand name, so you can go for this equipment having full assurance that it is from the original manufacturer. At number 3, Happybuy Tube Bender. If you are on a tight budget, this is one of the tube benders that you can consider buying. This tool is made of tough carbon steel to ensure that users get a stress-free experience when fabricating metal tubes. The tool is designed with a long handle to increase leverage, allowing for easy and smooth tube bending. That is not all. The grip area is not only contoured but also features a hard-wearing attachment that will provide you with maximum comfort when using the tool. The tool comes with 7 size dies that will meet all your tube bending needs. Swapping the dies is also very easy, so you won't waste a lot of time when making changes. Also, the dies have a non-slip design, which prevents the work material from detaching before completing the bend. The pivot point is designed in such a way that users can bend high-gauge tubes without damaging the tool. This tube bender also has pre-drilled mounting holes, which you can use when attaching the unit to a workbench. The surface of this tool is coated to prevent rust, thus prolonging its durability. At number 2, Baileigh RDB050 Manual Tube Bender. The Baileigh RDB050 has amazing mechanical features, and that is just one of the reasons why you should consider giving this tool a try. And since the machine is operated manually, you will have full control over the tube bending process. What makes this equipment unique compared to most roll cage tube benders in the market is that it allows you to make customizations according to your needs. With that said, the machine has up to 3 bending speeds that you can use when building roll cages. The first speed is designed to help you bend materials that are exceptionally tough such as mild steel. On the other hand, the second speed is ideal for intermediate alloys, while the third can particularly assist when bending lighter gauge tubes. This machine is designed with a convenient hook arm, which will ensure the tubing stays in the right position throughout the bending process. More on the hook arm, it is designed with a quick release mechanism, which will enable you to swap inserts with ease when changing tubes. As a result, your downtime will be greatly reduced, thereby allowing you to accomplish the task in good time. Furthermore, the machine has a maximum bending capacity of up to 200 degrees, so it will allow you to bend materials with a single pass without making additional adjustments. Thanks to its anti-spring back system, this tool will hold each bend at the correct angle as you apply pressure on the handle. This machine comes with a stand and other accessories that you will find useful. At number 1. Goplus Heavy-Duty Hydraulic Tube Bender. Built from superior quality steel, this tube bender is not only reliable but also tough. It features an advanced hydraulic system, which will allow you to fabricate steel tubes according to the project demands. To add to this, the package is inclusive of high-quality dies that you can use when bending different sizes of tubes. The dies are just as tough as the machine itself, thus making the whole unit dependable. This tube bender has a solidly built base, which will provide you with maximum stability on all tube bending tasks. Consequently, the tool won't move unnecessarily, and neither will it fall over. The pullback spring mechanism will allow you to bend the tubes more efficiently while minimizing the possibility of making errors. Moreover, the smooth groove rollers on this tube bender are non-abrasive, so they won't leave scratch marks on the surface of the tubes. In addition to this, you can adjust the placement of each roller independently to get an accurate angle bend for your roll cage. With a 180-degree tube bending capacity, this tool will reduce your workload and will also help you bend tubes flawlessly. The manufacturer also provides you with a strong handle for cranking purposes. To prevent slippage, the grip area is fitted with a friction-enhancing sleeve, which will give you a firm hold when cranking the handle. The hydraulic jack has a maximum load-bearing capacity of 12 tons, so it can take on high-gauge metal tubes without jamming. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.